welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a review on my hair, my Aliexpress faux locks hair. This is a 2-week review. I will be reading from my phone. I have all the notes on my phone, so if you see me looking down or like squinting my eyes because I'm blind, I can't see, I'm gonna have contacts. I don't have them in and I'm now wear my glasses. So if you guys see me looking down, it's because I'm reading the notes that I have. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing, we'll be talking about the facts of this hair. Like I said, this is a 2-week review. So I had this hair in for 2 weeks, and before I continue, I would just like to put a disclaimer out there. So disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I did purchase this hair with my own hard-earned money. So all opinions are my own and it is unbiased, and I'm just trying to help you guys out. So let us get started again. I bought these locks from Aliexpress and the name of the vendor is Silky Strands Official Store. I will leave a link to their store and the locks that I purchased down below in the description box. I paid £23.94 for 6 packs of 18-inch 1B locks. This is what 18 inches looks like. Like I said, it was 1B and it was in a deal. So you have, for example, I got 6 packs of hair for £23.94, but you also have like 2 packs, 4 packs, 8 packs, 9 packs, 10 packs, so forth. All of this is in the description box and also on their website if you want to find out more. With the hair, I received 2 gifts. I received a crochet needle and some of these, where are they? The beads that you see floating around in my hair. I received beads as well as free gifts, which is always good. So I wanted to get them as soon as possible because I was going away to Manchester. Hey Katie. I was going away, so I wanted to get them as soon as possible. So I opted to pay for shipping, and shipping cost was £5.88. It was shipped with EMS, and shipping was supposed to take between 7 and 15 working days. However, I got my hair within 5 working days, so that was good. Really good. It left me time to prepare and stuff. I made this hair into a crochet wig, or like a half wig in the back, and then the front of my hair are individual crochet braids, and I used the Jazz Nicole method. I will leave a link to that specific video in the description box below, and also a link to her YouTube channel. I'm not affiliated with her or anything. I just found her on YouTube, really like her videos, and incorporated them into my lifestyle. Next, so my thoughts on this hair. So I think this hair, from wearing it to about 2 weeks, it is really lightweight, and also people that have touched it and have admired it have also said, oh my, when they felt it, said, oh, it's really lightweight, which is really good. And it is also very bouncy, so when I'm walking it kind of bounces, like boom boom boom. But yeah, it bounces, which it's kind of good and kind of bad. Like, you can feel it bounce as you walk, but I guess that's what happens when your hair is really light, right? It was really easy for me to do crochet braids. I got from my hair shop the I got the wig cap, and I will leave a picture somewhere in this area. It was really easy to do. So from making my crochet wig, the hair, I only got like 2 strands of locks that were faulty. This is one of them. I don't know if you're able to tell the difference, but compared to this lock or the other locks in my head, this one is really frizzy and untangled, and it just did not work. But from the pack, I only got these 2. By the way, I forgot to mention to you guys, each pack contains 24 strands, so 24 times 6 is it's the answer is right here. So that's how much is in my head. Not really. I have 4 strands remaining. I would recommend that I purchased 6 packs of hair. However, I would recommend you purchasing 7, only because I have to take these out, and when I take them out, or hopefully when I take it out it doesn't happen, but when I took out the first one, which was this one from the front of my braids, this is what happened. But you have to be really careful if you're taking it out. But just to be on the safe side, I would get 7 packs. Also, if you want to add more within the back or in the perimeter of your hair, more is always better than less, to be quite honest. And I would want you to be on the safe side. The hair does cling together. It gets frizzy and it doesn't get knotty, but after a while it kind of clumps together. It's not that obvious, but I do have to like rake it through to make sure that it separates itself, which is not that big of a deal. But some people might find that a little bit frustrating, others might not. It just depends on your personal preference. If you were to crochet this on your actual head, like, you know, a traditional crochet hairstyle, I don't think it would last more than 2 weeks, to be honest with you. Only because when you're sleeping on the hair, it gets tangled easier than when you remove it at nighttime. It's a lot more work maintenance wise if you have it on your actual cornrows, and because of the type of hair and the texture, I just don't think it would last long. However, with a crochet wig, I can make this hair last 4 weeks. Maybe pushing 5, but definitely 4 weeks. Individual parts of my hair, I have it in 2 rows, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I like 14 individuals in total. And I do have to say that the individual crochet takes a little bit more maintenance than the rest, than the half wig, only because, well, for me at least, my brisk, as Jazz Nicole calls it, which is a braid at the beginning and then you twist the rest of the hair. So my brisk it tends to unravel, or the locks itself unravels, revealing my natural hair. So I have to go over it every few days in order to keep it looking neat. And the base of it tends to, like, I don't know, unravel more, so you can see the base of my hair, which can get annoying. But you can sit down in front of Netflix and just twine it together and it will be fine. So to preserve the hair more, I go through the hair every few days, maybe every 5 days, or when necessary, and I just cut off the frizzy ends of the hair. So I did this last night actually, so you won't see much frizz in my hair, but I just get scissors and I just cut off any strangly bits and any bits that are clumping together, just to preserve the hair and make it last a little bit longer. And it doesn't take a lot of time. Like I said, just sit down and watch Netflix or do something and take the hair, you just clip it a little bit. Okay, would I recommend this hair and the seller? Yes, I would recommend the hair. It's a really great hairstyle for last minute styling. It's a really great protective style. My edges are not coming out because the hair, there's no tension on my edges or my hair in general. So it's a really great protective style. It can last long depending on how you take care of it. And the seller, we did not like communicate, you know, like how some sellers on Aliexpress, they would message you and ask you for this and that and blah blah blah, or you can message them if you want to personalize something. I didn't have the need to do that. I just put the item in my cart, paid for it, and that was it. But the time that it took to come to my house was really good, especially because it was supposed to come between like 7 to 15 working days, but it ended up coming in within 5 working days. So that was really good. And like I said, I only had like 2 destroyed strands. I didn't have much more than that. I also got free gifts with the bundles that I purchased, the locks that I purchased. So yeah, all in all, good. I would recommend it. Next, last but not least, is this hair good for protective styling? Yes, this hair is good for protective styling. Like I said, it doesn't damage your natural hair or your edges. It protects it basically. So I would recommend it for protective styling. I would also recommend this method by Jazz Nicole, the half wig and then individual crochets at the front. And that's it for my video. I think I answered everything. If I didn't, please leave a question or a comment in the comment section below, or you can message me on Insta or Snapchat. It's open so I can receive messages and I will get back to you straight away if I can. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like my faux locks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please thumbs it up. It would really mean a lot to me. Also, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any more videos or any videos at all. The next video I'll have up is a makeup look. This is my go-to spring makeup look and I had fun making it. You know, it's simple and you can jazz it up or tone it down. Up to you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.